Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you find yourself on the go and craving that espresso, then you have to check out this portable espresso maker from MARTAINUOXI. This is super compact and lightweight. You can take it absolutely anywhere. It even has a nice little handle so it's easy to carry around. If you spend your day in the car or you're off-roading, maybe you're camping, and you still want to have your espresso, this is the way to do it. So the way this works is you can either use hot or cold water. If you have preheated water, great. It's going to be super fast. You just put your coffee in, press this button, and you're good to go. Now, if you do have cold water and you want to heat it, it has a built-in heater. So all you do is double click the button, and within 4 to 6 minutes, you'll have hot water ready to brew coffee. You can use pods in this, which is so easy. So you can use small or large espresso pods, or you can use ground coffee. It comes with all the different pieces so you can brew any way you want. So the tank holds 60 milliliters of water, and so you'll end up with about 1.7 ounce of concentrated coffee. This is rechargeable. You can get up to 50 uses out of it, and then you just recharge with the cable that comes along with it. It's lightweight, it's portable, easy to use, and you can have your espresso anywhere you want. So definitely check this one out, and that's my point of view.